Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I have an unboxing for you. I have a little something that I picked up from Dior that I think will fit in my collection really nicely. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you know the styles of small leather goods that I like, and I happened to be perusing the website one day and I saw this and I thought, you know what, I think that is going to fit perfectly. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. I have one item from Dior, and that is my beautiful Lady Dior right here, but this is a vintage item, so I ended up purchasing it from Fashion File. So I've never purchased anything directly from the Dior boutique before, so this is the first time. I just picked up a little tiny something that I wanted to share with you. I'm really excited about it, and like I said, I think it's going to be perfect for my collection. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see the little item that I picked up from Dior, then keep watching. Okay guys, before we get into the unboxing, I want to share with you these beautiful roses that were sent to me. They were sent to me by Rose Forever. They are actually a New York based company. They were established in 2019, and they told me that I could pick out whichever arrangement I wanted. And if you guys know how much I love roses and flowers, my whole entire house is filled with flowers. Now a lot of times I'll go more towards the artificial route, but these are real roses that are preserved, and they're gonna last a year. And I want to show you how beautiful these roses are, and I will insert a close-up, that way you guys can kind of take a peek, because sometimes it's a little tough to tell by the lighting. But these flowers are hand-picked, they last for a year, and the great thing about it is they only use natural oils to preserve the roses. These are handcrafted, and they come in either a round or square shaped velvet boxes, so it really gives you that luxe feel when you get it. I opted for the round. You also get 9, 16, or 36 roses per box. I opted for the 36. I think this is just absolutely stunning. They come in a ton of different colors. I had such a hard time choosing, and at first when I was looking on the website, I actually was gonna go for the baby pink, but then I thought, you know what, I have a lot of baby pink flowers in my house. Let's spruce it up a little bit. So I opted for these beautiful white roses. You can get it in a cream, but I got the white, and I just thought it paired really nicely with this black. So this video, once again, is not sponsored, but they were kind enough to send me these roses, and they were also kind enough to provide a coupon code for my subscribers in the event you guys were interested in purchasing roses for yourself. So I will put that coupon code up on the screen, and that is going to get you $15 off. Again, this video is not sponsored. I just want to put that out there, but they were kind enough to send these to me, so therefore I wanted to share it with you, and I will link all the details down below. Okay, so now that I shared with you those beautiful roses, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. You guys really liked it when I did my Chanel unboxing, when you were able to experience the unboxing with me. So I am going to switch around. We're going to go over to my desk, and we're going to get right into the unboxing. I can't wait to share it with you. Okay, so I ordered this online from the boutique, and I want to show you how beautiful it came. So first, you open the box and you have the envelope here that says Dior, and it has your receipt in it. It just says, "Thank you for shopping at Dior.com. We hope you enjoy your purchase." Okay, so then it is packaged in this beautiful Dior box with a bow. I almost don't even want to open it. It looks so pretty. And then you also get the Dior bag, so you get the whole entire like Dior experience as if you were going into the boutique. So I love that. As I stated, this is the first time that I am shopping from Dior, so it was really exciting for me to get that this beautiful packaging. Okay, so I almost, like I said, I hate ruining this because it looks so pretty, but let's go ahead and get into unboxing this beauty, and I can't wait to show it to you. So again, it comes in the beautiful Dior box, and it's in the nice tissue paper. Is it possible for me to open this without ripping it? Okay. All right. Once again, it comes in this beautiful dust bag. Oh my gosh. Your packaging is so pretty. Okay, let me just put this right here. Okay, comes in this beautiful dust bag right here. And the item that I got is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is the Christian Dior. This is the saddle flap card holder. How beautiful is this? I just fell in love with this burgundy color. It does also come in a blue as well. It's more of like a navy blue, but I wear a lot of black, so I thought that this would be like a nice pop of color, whereas I thought the navy blue, it looked very similar to the black, so I just wanted to do something different. So this is so beautiful, and then it comes with like the Dior tag. Oh my gosh, look at all the details. It says Dior there. So again, this is the Dior saddle flap card holder, but let me go into why I think it is going to be so great. So first, it has the beautiful Dior on the front, and I love this little saddle flap that is so cute. And then it has the little D charm. You turn it around, and the thing I was so excited about is this back pocket, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love a back pocket. This is perfect for your ID. So let me just show you. This is the Christian Dior care card that came with it. Just going to show you how that fits. So like if it's your ID, or you can also put a major credit card for easy access. Love that. So then the way it opens, it has a button closure, which, oh my gosh, the detail, it says Dior on the button closure. This then says Christian Dior Paris, and it is leather, and it is a pretty burgundy leather. So then let me take this out. Okay, I went ahead and I cut this tag off of it so you guys could get a better look. So you open it up. There, once again, there is a pocket on the back. You open it up with the button closure. It says Dior. There is a pocket flap right here in which you can put a card, and I'm going to just use this to show you what it looks like, so you can see it peeks out a little bit, and it looks like you can fit quite a bit. Then you open it. It has a compartment in the back here, a card slot here, and then it has this one large compartment, and the sides kind of have a little bit of an accordion style, so it's going to fit a ton. So let me tell you why I thought this would be perfect for my collection. You guys know how much I love the Rosalie coin purse, so I thought it was extremely similar to that, and I like to carry a lot of cards, so I thought this would be perfect for that. And then I could put cash in the back. So let me go grab that. Okay, so I went to grab my Rosalie coin purse. You know how much I love this, because when you open it, there's a spot for your coins, and then you can put all your cards, and then a spot back here. So I saw this and it looked very similar, and like I said, the thing that I fell in love with is the fact that it has a back pocket, because I love back pockets when it comes to wallets, when it comes to handbags. For handbags, I put my phone in there. For this, I like to put my ID, but I just think this is going to be perfect. So the way I'm going to use it, I'm going to put all my credit cards here. I'm going to probably put my cash in the back, and then here is where I'm going to put a major credit card as well as my ID. I just think that this is going to be so convenient. But one thing that I can do, it looks to me like these two items are very similar. So I can certainly do a comparison. You know how much I love to do comparisons on my channel. So once I've used this for a while, I can do a comparison, but you can see they are really, really similar. But this is so beautiful, and like I said, I was not planning on getting it, but I was perusing the website and I saw this back pocket and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. And I really liked the burgundy because I think that that's really pretty, and I love the saddle shape. So I'm really, really excited to add this beauty to my collection. Okay guys, well there you have it. That is my unboxing of this beautiful Dior saddle flap card holder. I will try to find this and link this down below. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to join, and make sure to check out Rose Forever. These roses are absolutely beautiful, and I thought that was really kind of them to provide me with a coupon code to give to you guys for $15 off. So I will put that up on the screen one more time. Again, their website, they have a ton of different colors to choose from, so it's going to fit into anyone's lifestyle. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. I do a lot of flat lays and outfit posts, and I'd love to have you join me over there. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and remember what I always tell you, to always be kind. Talk to you soon.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna